In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Wi-Fi data usage statistics in the Telegram app on PC, and what you can do instead if you're looking for a clean reset on desktop. This is a common question because Telegram on mobile and Telegram on desktop do not behave the same way, and a lot of users expect to find a simple reset button that just isn't there on the PC version. If this tutorial helps, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, it's important to understand the limitation. On the Telegram desktop app for Windows or PC, there is no dedicated option to delete specific Wi-Fi network usage statistics the same way you might see on a mobile device. So if you are trying to remove just one Wi-Fi network's usage history inside Telegram, the desktop app does not give you that control directly. What you can do instead is manage Telegram's local storage and cache data. This won't necessarily erase every usage statistic in the way you might imagine, but it can help clear out stored files, media, and temporary data that Telegram has saved on your computer. To do that, open the Telegram app on your PC first. Once Telegram is open, look to the top left corner of the app and click the three horizontal lines, which is the menu button. From the menu, choose Settings. This takes you into Telegram's main configuration area where you can control app behavior, privacy, storage, and advanced options. Inside Settings, scroll until you find Advanced and click on it. The Advanced section is where Telegram keeps more detailed storage and system options, so this is the place you want to be if you're trying to manage local data on desktop. Now look for the Data and Storage area, and under that section, select Manage Local Storage. This feature lets you clear cached files and media that Telegram has stored locally on your computer. If your goal is to free up space or remove stored Telegram data from your PC, this is the safest built-in option available on desktop. When the local storage panel opens, review the available items carefully. You may see options related to cached media, files, and other stored content. Clear only what you want removed, and take a moment to make sure you are not deleting anything important. This is especially useful if Telegram has been using a lot of storage over time and you want to clean things up without reinstalling the app. If you are specifically trying to reset Wi-Fi usage statistics, keep in mind that Telegram Desktop does not provide a direct toggle for that. In many cases, those kinds of network tracking details are handled by the operating system or are tied to how the mobile app records data usage. On PC, your best approach is to clear Telegram's local storage and, if needed, check your Windows network usage settings separately. So the simple answer is this. On Telegram Desktop, you cannot directly delete Wi-Fi data usage statistics with a dedicated button, but you can go into Settings, open Advanced, and use Manage Local Storage to clear cached files and media. That's the closest built-in method for cleaning up Telegram data on a computer. If you found this useful, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more Telegram and app tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.